Hello, welcome to Pop Tribe, welcome to Elvis Sunday. My name is Nick. Today we're taking a look at a song that was recorded June the 4th, 1970 in Nashville. The song is called The Sound of Your Cry. Haven't heard this one before. I think it's a ballad. We're going to listen to two versions. We're going to listen to the original studio version, and then we're going to take a jump to a longer version of the song. I believe it's Take 3. Everyone keeps talking about Take 3 is the best version of this song apparently. So we're going to jump to that one as well. I've read that it was released as a double A-side along with It's Only Love in 1971. Intrigued to see what this one gives us, so let's not dilly-dally any longer. No more dilly, no more dally. Let's just jump straight in. Elvis Presley sings The Sound of Your Cry. Loving the sound of it already.
The clock by the bed is ticking, too loud in the quiet night. I lie in the darkness thinking I must go before it's light. Before you open up your eyes and you beg me to stay, I'll leave, 'cause I can't stand to see you hurt this way. Sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye.
Wasn't expecting this at all.
Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. Though I knew the time was coming and our love would end somehow.
Backing vocal. Is it a vocal or an
I
instrument?
just couldn't bear to tell you exactly just when or how. I know we can't go on, that it was wrong to start. But if you wake up crying now, you know you'll break my heart. Sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you.
Wow, that was, I wasn't expecting anything like that at all. I think I'd read somewhere that it was some sort of ballad. I was thinking that it was going to be something a lot more sedate. Forgot who I was dealing with, didn't I? Just the power and the emotion in that song, in his voice. And then the last half of the song is essentially the chorus, just repeated over and over, from what I could tell. To that end, it kind of mirrored the message of the song. There's this struggle there. You can just really feel the emotion in his voice as he's singing the song. And then just everything else that went with it, the musical arrangement behind it, it felt almost orchestral. It felt almost like a film score. And it had this like epic, sweeping nature to it, while at the same time it's very core, still being this very emotional, personal, powerful song. That really surprised me, really surprised me. I wasn't expecting that at all. I say that a lot, I think. Never fails to surprise you, does he, Elvis Presley? So anyway, let's jump into this longer version, this take 3 that everyone was talking about previously. Apparently, tell me if you agree or disagree, this is the best take of the song. So I'm wondering where this version goes. I think it's maybe a couple of minutes longer than the one we just listened to. So yes, very curious to see what we've got here. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's jump into take 3.
The clock by the bed is ticking,
Lyrics.
too loud in the quiet night. I lie in the darkness thinking I must go before it's light. Before you open up your eyes and you beg me to stay, I leave 'cause I can't stand to see you hurt this way. Sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. Though I knew the time was coming and our love would end somehow, I just couldn't bear to tell you exactly just when or how. I know we can't go on, that it was wrong to start. But if you wake up crying now, you'll break my heart.
There
Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. And I won't hear the sound of your cry. Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss
we go.
you
Intensity.
goodbye. And I won't hear, oh no, the sound of your cry. Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. And I won't hear the sound of your cry. Oh, sleep, my love,
And power with the repeated chorus.
as I kiss you goodbye. And I won't hear the sound of your cry. Oh, 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 sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear, though I want, the sound of your cry. Oh, oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. And I won't hear the sound of your cry. Oh, sleep, my love,
It doesn't lose
as I
anything.
kiss you
Adds to the
goodbye.
intensity of it all.
And I won't
Passion of it.
hear, oh no, sound of your cry. Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you, kiss you, kiss you, kiss you goodnight. And I won't hear the sound of your cry.
Wow, it was almost like a scream at the end. Wow. Yeah, I think I said it a little bit while it was on, but the intensity of that repeated chorus over and over and over, it didn't lose any of the passion each time that it was delivered. And it just felt like Elvis just wasn't afraid, even at that point, he just still wasn't afraid to push his voice that much further. And just the emotional range that that song gave, and the, like I said, the intensity of it, but it was like a gentle intensity. To be in the studio, I don't know how many takes there were for that song, but to be in the studio and just to keep delivering a performance like that, it just feels completely exhausting, and not in a negative way. It's just you listen to it and you just wonder how he's able to give such a performance over and over and over again, and there's such commitment there, and just the power of that voice, just completely overwhelming. It's incredible to listen to. I think I'm saying this a lot lately, but I'm getting more and more surprised as these weeks go on. We've done a lot of the mainstays, the songs that you would normally find on best of or greatest hits albums as far as Elvis is concerned, and we're taking some deeper dives into songs that certainly I know I haven't heard before, and I know there's been a few people in the comments who haven't heard songs as well that we've been choosing just lately. So to do these explorations into his back catalogue and some of the songs that some people might not know, I'm not necessarily saying that this is one of them, I'm clearly behind as far as this is concerned. It's just completely mesmerising every single week, and every single week discover something new about him, I think, and every single week I hear a different facet to his voice, and there's a different type of performance that we're looking at and listening to, and he just continues to amaze me every single time. What a really just emotional, powerful, commanding song, commanding presence that he had clearly in that studio there. Incredible. How about you? What do you think of this song? Is it a favourite of yours? Have you heard it before? Have I somehow introduced any of you to something new as well? Let me know. Drop the comments down below. But that is it for another Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed already, do that as well. Thank you so much to those who already have and continue to come back each week. Really appreciated, never ever taken for granted. But we will leave it there. Until next Sunday, have an amazing week. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.